It's my pleasure here in the laboratory to present to you the SAS Air Sampler and how it's used, just to show how simple it is. This is a plastic autoclavable head cover, which is to protect it while you're doing the manipulations. We'll take the stainless steel head off. We're now going to take one of the Thermo Scientific Remel brand contact plates. We're going to put it in place so it's a nice tight fit. Take the plate off. We're now ready to pull from the air through this 316 stainless steel head a sample of whatever is in the air. It's what they call a direct impaction air sampler. Put this on. Again, for sterility assurance, we have this autoclave plastic head cover. I'll lift it off. We're now all set to sample with the SAS. I'm going to turn it on. And while we turn it on, it runs through the site ID operator, the volume to be sampled, serial number of the instrument. And we're all set. We're going to sample by pressing this start button. And as you can hear, we're now sampling. We're sampling 180 liters of air per minute. I have it set for a 50-liter sample, so it'll be very quick. The typical clean room would sample 1,000 liters, so you can do this in 5.5 minutes. Again, very speedy. You can hear the confirmatory beep at the end, know the monitoring is done. We would come over, put our plastic cap back on, unscrew the stainless steel head. By physically inspecting the plate, you can see that you had impaction onto the auger, and you have confirmation that you've gathered a sample. For sterility assurance, put the top on our plate, and this will go to the incubator for 1 to 5 days, at the end of which they can see whether or not there's contamination present in the area where they sampled. And this is a very nice compressed gas test head. It's the same basic stainless steel head that you just saw, but it has a long nose. And we're just simply going to use the exact same direct impaction principle. Screw on the stainless steel head, tie on tubing from the end of this to a bleed point on compressed gas line, open up the compressed gas line, run our sample from the air onto the contact plate, and we'll do that for roughly 1,000 liters of air, and we're then done with testing the compressed gas. So this is a nice accessory that comes with the SAS. This is our aluminum carrying case. See how nicely protected the unit is. In addition, if you're doing compressed gas testing, you can have the compressed gas test head, which fits perfectly in this custom cut die cut. This is the battery charger, which very simply is available in 110 or 220 volt, depending on the country where this is going. There's actually a set of keys. You can lock it, send it to us, and then we unlock it at the other end, making it very easy to transport. Lastly, this is an accessory if people, instead of using the stainless steel heads, wish to use a plastic disposable head. This is the so-called daily head, and this is one mode of shipping it to customers. Many of our customers would like to use the SAS throughout a hospital, for example, or environmental monitoring in a, say, an office building. Prefer this case. It's a very nice soft-sided case. The battery charger, which goes into a nice little pocket. The air sampler would go in. And we're now set to march off and do our air sampling. I have in front of us the Petri plates, triptych soy agar, readily available from your Thermo Scientific representative. This is a double-bagged contact plate, which is our preferred way of sampling because of its ease of use, ease of manipulation. It was designed for the SAS specifically. And then if you're dealing, for example, in an incubator, we have this triple bag product, another excellent product. Contact your Thermo Scientific representative for any of these products. I might add that Bioscience International has a lot of application notes to guide you in different industries as which type of selective media you would contact them to purchase. Thank you.